Ever bought a must-have home gadget, then watched it collect dust? Tonight, we're flipping that script. In the next few minutes, you'll see 30 Amazon Home finds that actually earn their spot. From a dimmable nightlight that makes midnight steps safer to a mini projector that turns any wall into movie night. Stay to the end, because one item hides a surprising upgrade you'd never expect for the price. 1. LOHAS LED nightlights plug into wall. These sconce-style plug-in nightlights look more like decor than a basic wall plug, but they're built for real everyday use. You get a soft, comfortable glow with 0 to 100 lumen dimming, so it can be a gentle hallway guide or a brighter bedside helper. The dusk to dawn sensor means it turns on automatically when the room gets dark, saving energy and effort. Compact and modern, it's perfect for bathrooms, stairs, entryways, and kids' rooms. Safer night movement without harsh overhead lights. 2. KOLL Link. Step ladder 3. Step folding. This is the kind of household tool you don't think about until you really need it. The KOLL Link 3-step folding ladder is built with heavy-duty steel and rated to support up to 330 pounds, making it feel stable when you're reaching high shelves or changing bulbs. Wide, anti-slip steps help you climb with confidence, and when the job is done, it folds down for compact storage. It's a simple upgrade that makes home tasks faster, safer, and way less stressful. 3. YAUNGEL window candles. If you want that classic holiday warm window glow without cords and mess, this 10-pack is a smart solution. These are flameless LED window candles that run on batteries, so you can place them anywhere, no outlet hunting. Many sets include remote and timer control, letting you set a nightly routine and forget about it. With holders and suction cups for flexible setup, they're perfect for windows, mantles, or shelves. The payoff is instant, cozy, festive ambiance with almost zero effort. 4. 2025 6-pack Air Purifier. Plug-in. This 6-pack plug-in ionizer is designed for people who want fresher rooms without dealing with filters. It works by releasing negative ions, helping reduce everyday odor issues like smoke, pets, and cooking smells, while staying compact enough for bedrooms, kitchens, offices, or hallways. The set it and forget it design is the real win. Just plug it in, and it runs quietly in the background. For apartments and smaller spaces, it's an easy, low-maintenance way to upgrade how your home feels and smells. 5. EUHOMY Countertop Ice Maker Machine with Handle. This EUHOMY Countertop Ice Maker is all about speed and convenience. It can produce up to around 26 pounds of ice per day, with a quick cycle that makes 9 ice cubes in about 6 minutes. Perfect when guests show up or you just want cold drinks on demand. The carry handle makes it easy to move from kitchen to patio, RV, or camping setup. It also includes a basket and scoop, plus an auto-cleaning feature that makes upkeep simple. Big party upgrade in a small footprint. 6. POPCHOSE Fabric Shaver, Sweater Shaver with 6-leaf blades. This little gadget can make old clothes look surprisingly new again. The POPCHOSE Fabric Shaver uses 6-leaf blades spinning fast, listed around 9,000 RPM, to lift and cut fuzz and pilling without clogging up. It's great for sweaters, hoodies, coats, couches, and blankets, anywhere lint builds and ruins the look. The rechargeable battery, around 1,200 mAh, is made for longer sessions, so you can refresh multiple items without stopping mid-job. Simple, fast, and oddly satisfying, like a reset button for fabric. 7. LOVCY 2025 Upgraded 9-color flame. Fireplace Aroma. Essential oil diffuser. This diffuser turns aromatherapy into an experience. The LOVCY Fireplace flame design creates a cozy glow with 9 flame light modes, giving your room that relaxing fireside vibe, even if you live in a small apartment. Add a few drops of essential oil, and it sends out a gentle mist that helps freshen the space and set a calmer mood. It's perfect for night routines, reading corners, or a home office reset. With features like protective shutoff on many models, it's also a worry-free way to add fragrance and ambiance. 8. YITAHOME upgraded portable sink camping hand washing station with 17-liter basin. A portable sink sounds basic until you actually use one. This YITAHOME hand washing station carries a large 17-liter freshwater capacity and uses a foot pump for hands-free flow, so it's ideal for camping, job sites, outdoor events, and emergency preparedness. Step, rinse, and move on. No touching dirty taps. Many setups include a soap dispenser and towel holder, which makes it feel like a real wash station instead of a hack. Add rolling wheels, and it becomes a mobile hygiene upgrade that's surprisingly useful beyond camping season. 9. SONGMICS Clothes. Drying rack, 33 rails with clips. This drying rack is built for people who do laundry often and hate clutter. With 33 drying rails and 27 sock clips, it handles a full load with room to spare. Shirts, towels, and all the small stuff that usually falls off. The wings adjust to multiple heights, so pants and sheets don't drag on the floor. It folds down quickly for storage and uses rust-resistant steel tubes for indoor or outdoor drying. If you're saving energy, protecting delicates, or just living in a smaller space, this rack makes laundry day smoother. 10. HOUSBAY wireless charging. Alarm clock radio with Bluetooth speaker. This is a bedside upgrade that replaces multiple devices at once. The HOUSBAY unit combines an alarm clock with a soothing sound machine and a wireless charger, helping you build a better sleep-wake routine without a messy nightstand. You can play relaxing sounds or connect via Bluetooth for music, then drop your phone on the charging pad and wake up with less cable chaos. It's designed for that modern night routine lifestyle. Sleep audio, clean charging, and an easy morning start. All in one compact gadget that looks tidy on any dresser. 11. LOMAO Sherpa Fleece Blanket. Throw for couch bed. Sometimes the best home gadget is pure comfort, and this blanket delivers. The LOMAO Sherpa Fleece Throw is dual-sided. One side uses a soft coral fleece jacquard face, and the other is plush Sherpa for that cozy, cloud-like feel. It's lightweight enough for year-round use, but still warm for cold nights on the couch. The fabric is designed to be durable and soft, so it holds up to everyday lounging, movie nights, and quick naps. It also makes an easy gift that feels expensive without being complicated. 12. VNDUEEY 90-pack strong. Neodymium fridge magnets. These aren't the weak novelty magnets that slide down the fridge. This VNDUEEY set gives you 90 strong neodymium magnets built for real organizing, holding notes, to-do lists, kids' drawings, or schedules firmly in place. Some listings even claim they can secure multiple sheets at once, which is exactly what you want for busy kitchens, classrooms, or office whiteboards. The big advantage is quantity plus strength. You can create a clean command center on any metal surface without clips, tape, or clutter. Small item, huge daily usefulness. 13. MOJOCO Portable Clothes Dryer. If you live in an apartment, dorm, or travel often, this portable dryer can be a lifesaver. The MOJOCO compact drying setup is designed for small loads, up to about 9 lightweight garments like shirts, underwear, or baby clothes. Typical drying times are around 1 to 2 hours for light items and 3 to 4 hours for heavier pieces, depending on moisture and fabric. It's perfect for rainy days, emergency laundry, or when you don't have access to a full-size dryer. Small footprint, big convenience, especially for families and travelers. 14. Lprmnnc Portable Washing Machine. This foldable mini washer is built for small laundry problems that still matter: underwear, socks, baby clothes, gym gear, and quick emergency washes. With around a 15-liter capacity and multiple cleaning modes, it's designed to handle light loads without you needing a full laundry room setup. The foldable body is the real magic. It stores easily under a bed or in a closet, making it ideal for dorms, RV life, tiny apartments, or travel. It's not replacing a full washer for big loads, but for daily essentials, it's a practical game changer. 15. Sondiko Butane Torch. This is one of those tools that instantly makes you feel like a pro in the kitchen. The Sondiko refillable butane torch is designed for creme brulee, searing, melting cheese, or even quick finishing touches on meats and desserts. Safety is a big focus here. It includes a safety lock to prevent accidental ignition and a wide base to help stop tipping. The angled nozzle and finger guard keep your hand away from the heat, and the flame is adjustable for precision. Just note, butane typically isn't included for shipping. 16. WiseCam V4 2.5K QHD Wi-Fi Indoor-Outdoor Smart Home Security Camera. WiseCam V4 is the kind of upgrade that makes you feel instantly more in control of your home. The 2.5K QHD resolution captures sharper detail than standard 1080p, and enhanced color night vision helps you see what's happening even after dark. For real deterrence, it adds a motion-activated spotlight and a built-in siren, plus two-way audio for quick check-ins. It's also rated for indoor-outdoor use, so you can monitor doors, driveways, pets, or a nursery from one compact cam. 17. Clorox Toilet Plunger with Hideaway Holder Caddy. This is one of those not exciting but incredibly smart home upgrades. The The Clorox plunger comes with a hideaway clamshell caddy that opens automatically when you lift the plunger and closes when you put it back, so it stays discreet and more hygienic. Inside, there's a drip tray to help it dry and keep floors cleaner, and the rubber base helps prevent tipping or sliding. It's designed to work with all toilets, including low-flow models, making a gross chore feel a little more organized. 18. VitaFit Digital Bathroom Scale for body weight. If you track weight for fitness goals or health routines, this VitaFit scale keeps things simple and consistent. It uses step-on technology for instant readings, plus auto-calibration and auto-power-off so you're not fiddling with buttons. The platform is a clean, modern, tempered glass design, and the large backlit display is easy to read at a glance. It also supports unit switching, pound per kilogram per stone, which is great for anyone who shares the scale at home. Reliable daily tracking is the real gadget value here, fast, clear, and repeatable. 19. O-Cedar H2 Pro Flat Mop System. The O-Cedar H2 Pair O solves the biggest problem with mopping, reusing dirty water. Its dual-tank design keeps clean and dirty water separated, so every pass uses fresh water and reduces cross-contamination. The system is compact and lightweight, and the microfiber pads are washable and reusable, better cleaning with less waste. It's designed to be safe for hard floors and includes features that help you reach baseboards and tight spaces more easily. If you want faster, cleaner floors without the bulky bucket routine, this is a legit upgrade. 20. HAPRUN. Native 1080p Bluetooth mini projector with built-in speaker. This HAPRUN mini projector is all about turning any wall into movie night. It delivers native 1080p resolution for clearer detail, and Bluetooth support makes it easy to pair a speaker or soundbar when you want bigger audio than the built-in speaker. Connectivity is the real win. HDMI and USB options let you plug in a Fire Stick, laptop, or even gaming consoles like PS5 for a quick big screen setup. It's perfect for bedrooms, living rooms, and outdoor hangouts. Lightweight, simple, and built for instant entertainment. 21. HOMEDIX Sound Sleep White Noise Sound Machine. This is a small gadget with a big effect on your daily routine. The HOMEDIX Sound Sleep Machine plays 6 relaxing sounds designed to mask distractions, great for sleep, focus, or calming a nursery. It's compact enough to travel with, so you can keep your sleep environment consistent even on trips. The built-in auto-off timer is a nice touch. Set it, relax, and let it power down automatically. If street noise, roommates, or a busy household interrupts your rest, this is one of the simplest upgrades you can make. 22. Cuisinart 14-Cup Coffee Maker. If coffee is part of your daily rhythm, this Cuisinart Perfect Temp Maker is built to make mornings easier and better tasting. It brews up to 14 cups, so it's ready for families, guests, or serious coffee drinkers, and you can program brew time up to 24 hours ahead. It also offers regular or bold strength options, plus features like auto shutoff and self-clean support for less maintenance. The goal here is simple. Hotter, consistent coffee with a set-and-forget workflow that feels premium without being complicated. 23. Small Electric Fireplace Heater. This compact electric fireplace heater is a vibe and a practical heat boost in one. The 16-inch freestanding design is light and easy to move, so it works in bedrooms, offices, or small living spaces. It offers 750 watts and 1,500 watts heating modes, and it's designed to warm quickly, great when you need fast comfort on cold mornings. The top air outlet pushes heat into the room, and the simple control setup keeps it user-friendly for anyone. If you want cozy ambience plus real heat without a full installation, this one nails it. 24. VNDUEEY VII Folding Hand Truck 500 pounds. This folding hand truck is a backsaver, especially if you move boxes, groceries, water jugs, or gear regularly. It's rated up to 500 pounds and uses a 6-wheel setup, 2 fixed front wheels plus 4 swivel wheels, so it feels more stable when turning and navigating tight spots. The platform is adjustable to fit different load sizes, and it includes elastic ropes to secure items during transport. Best part? It folds down fast for car trunks or closet storage. It's the kind of adult gadget you'll use way more than you expect. 25. LifeZone King Size Lift-Up Storage Bed Frame with Hydraulic Storage. This bed frame is a space upgrade disguised as furniture. The LifeZone King frame uses a hydraulic lift to reveal massive underbed storage, perfect for bulky blankets, seasonal clothes, or anything you want out of sight. The linen upholstery and button-tufted wingback headboard give it a clean, premium look, while the platform design eliminates the need for a box spring. It's built to feel stable and quiet, so you don't get annoying creaks every time you move. If your bedroom needs more storage without adding dressers, this is a smart, hidden capacity solution. 26. Everlasting Comfort. 6-liter humidifier large room. Dry air can mess with sleep, skin, and comfort. This Everlasting Comfort humidifier is made to handle it with minimal effort. The 6-liter top fill tank delivers long runtime, and the adjustable mist output helps you dial in the humidity level that feels right. It's an ultrasonic, cool mist design for quieter operation, and it's built for larger rooms. Great for bedrooms, nurseries, or home offices. Many people love these for winter heating season and allergy months because it's a simple, set-it-and-forget-it comfort upgrade that makes a room feel better fast. 27. OAISS. Shredded Memory. Foam Cooling Bed Pillows. A good pillow is basically a daily performance tool, and these OAISS shredded memory foam pillows focus on customizable comfort. Because the fill is shredded, you can adjust the loft and firmness, great for side, back, and stomach sleepers who never find the perfect pillow height. The cooling design helps reduce that trapped heat feeling, and the removable cover is made to be washable for easier upkeep. You're getting a 2-pack set, which is ideal for couples or guest rooms. If you wake up stiff or constantly flip pillows, adjustability is the real upgrade here. 28. Master Lock 5400D. Portable key lockbox with combination lock. This Master Lock 5400D is one of those quiet security upgrades that makes life easier. It's a portable lockbox that hangs over a doorknob, and you set your own 4-digit combination. No key needed to access your spare keys. It's designed with a durable metal body and a shutter door that helps protect the dials from weather, dirt, and grime, making it usable indoors or outdoors. The interior fits up to 5 standard house keys, which is perfect for families, rentals, cleaners, or emergency access without hiding a key under a mat. 29. KitCheck Shop Coffee Mug Warmer, Fast Heating. If your coffee goes cold the moment work gets busy, this mug warmer fixes that problem instantly. The KitCheck Shop Warmer heats fast and gives you 4 temperature settings, so you can keep drinks comfortably warm instead of scorching hot. The built-in 1 to 12-hour timer and auto shut-off are huge for safety. Set your session and focus on your tasks without worrying you left it on all day. It works great for coffee, tea, or even warm milk, making it a simple desk gadget that improves every single sip. 30. SparkPod Shower Head. High-pressure rain. This is the easiest bathroom upgrade that feels instantly hotel level. The SparkPod Rain Shower Head is designed for high-pressure rainfall flow with a wide spray face, and it installs fast with a no-tool setup, perfect if you hate complicated DIY. It uses a high-efficiency flow rate and includes easy-to-clean nozzles, so mineral buildup is less of a headache over time. Many packages include Teflon tape and an extra filter, which makes installation even smoother. If your current shower feels weak or uneven, this is a quick swap that changes your daily routine. And that's our roundup of 30 Amazon home finds that make everyday life easier, whether you're upgrading comfort, cleaning smarter, or adding a little convenience to your routine. Now I want to hear from you. Which gadget was your favorite, and which one would you actually buy first? Drop your pick in the comments. If this video helped, hit like, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more smart finds and deals.